So now we will see about what is regression. So in data science, regression means whenever we have a data, so usually we will have the numerical values or something related to it. So sometimes we have to predict the values which we already have here. So that is called as regression. So the formula for regression is y dash is equal to bx plus a. Okay. So first we will see about the interpretation of R square. So what is interpretation of R square is we have to find how much the predicted value is going to fit into that data. So the regression is nothing but we have to predict the values from already existing values. Okay. So interpretation of R is nothing but we have to find out how much that predicted value is going to fit into that data the interpretation of R. So for interpretation of R, the unit value is R square. So R square is equal to SS y dash divided by SS of y. So SS of y dash we have a formula summation of y minus y dash the whole square. So we will have a value for y usually. So we have to find what is y dash. So y dash is nothing but an regression line equation. So it will be a bx plus a. So we will have a value for x. So we have to find out what is b and then what is a. So for b the value will be spxy divided by ss of x. So already we have find out the value of spxy in our previous video. Please go and check. So next is ssx. So we will also have find out the value of ssx. So after substituting the values, you will get the value of b. So next is the value of a. So a's formula is y mean divided by bx mean. So mean is nothing but the total number of values divided by the sum of values divided by the total number of values. So y mean will be 67 and then x mean will be 48. So for b value it is 6.008. You have to substitute and you will get a value. So usually my students what they will do is whenever we say find the mean, if we have 6 values or if we have 7 values, they will tend to take a middle value. So that will create an error. So see the example. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. They will take a mean value as center value. So this will make a mistake because we have 2, 3 and we don't have the value of 4. So if you take the mean value as 5, then you will get an error. So always the best practice is to sum all the value of x and then you have to divide it by the total number of value. This is how you have to find x mean and similarly for the y mean. So you will have the value of y mean and then x mean by adding the values and then divided by the value, and then you have to substitute the value of b and then a to this expression. So you will have the value of 6.0 x plus a. So you have to substitute one by one all the values of x. So we have x values as 2, 3, 5, 6 and 7. I have substituted the value of 2 here. So similarly you have to find all the values of y dash. Okay. So we have a formula for ss y dash is equal to y minus y dash the whole square. So you have to find out the y dash value for every corresponding x value by substituting it into the equation, and then you have to find y minus y dash. So y value is 50 and then our predicted value is 50 minus 1. So you will get minus 0.1. So similarly you have to find all the values of y minus y dash, and final value will be y minus y dash the whole square. You have to square their regarding values, and then you have to find out the value of ss y dash. So after finding out ss y dash, you have to sum of y minus y dash the whole square. You have to find the sum value and then you have to substitute it in here. So substitute the value of ss y dash, that is 6.7, and then divided by ssy. So ssy value will be 830. So divide 6.7 divided by 830, you will get r square is equal to 0.08. That's it. Thank you.